Okay, now I'm back. I only had to pause it because I left out a steel pin and a spring and a screw. So and the cover here. So that's why I had to pause it. Sorry about that, folks. I am getting further into this. I honestly hope I'm not missing anything, because if I am, I'm gonna get pretty pissed. I've had that happen to me in the past where I'm building I take something apart and I put it back together. I have like 2 extra parts and I'm just like, oh fuck, I'm screwed. But I hope that doesn't happen with this gun. I don't want that to happen. If it does, you have no clue. Nobody has any clue how pissed I'll be. Should put these big buttstock screws in. Screw these in. I know if anybody who's had these, I'm pretty sure you've taken all these screws off and tried to pull it off. It's not going to come off. Well, the only reason why is because there's a lip on the other side of this that holds it in. So that's probably why. You have to take the whole gun apart to get the buttstock off. So that's that would be a pretty big factor. So we're gonna put all my tiny little screws in. But a little short story about this. I think I might have said this in the first video, looking up how to take the buttstock off because I want to put a pistol grip. You see I had string tied to this. So I had it there, and that wasn't much of a great pistol grip. If anything, it sucked ass. It wasn't that great of a pistol grip. It did not really feel it well. And it was all the way up here, so I'm like trying to do a fast draw with this and aim at a target 50 feet away. And I have to sit there for like a second or two and like just try and get the sights on it. And I'm just like, wow, this does not work. So I'm going to save up some money and I'm going to put a pistol grip on this, and hopefully it will work. I hope it does. Sorry about that. I was looking for, I had an extra long screw, and I was wondering where it went. I realized it went on the other side. And that should help hold in this. Yeah, if you do this the first time, you're going to be lost. Just trust me. I'm going to be honest, this is the first time I've ever taken this gun apart. 100% honest, first time. In a second or two, I'm going to be firing this gun. But what would help me a little bit is if I put the pin in for the action here. That would help me just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. That side. Going. You don't have to wrestle with this gun a bit to get it to work. Okay, looks like I don't have any extra parts, so I just hope I didn't break something inside of it. Okay. I got these 2 tiny screws, and they're pretty damn tiny. Yeah, put them in the sides here. I actually recently I put up the bass clarinet video just like a week ago, and I got like 15 views on one of them. And I was like, wow, I should do more of those. This one, I hope it helps you out a lot. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. Okay. It works. Now, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to get some oil over here, and I'm going to oil everything up because I've cleaned out all of the oil. So, I'm going to pause this video. Okay, I'm back. That was about 2 seconds of a pause. Pretty much just walk 4 feet and get some oil. Okay. This is lubricant. There you go. Get that oiled. Make sure it gets deep inside of there. It does seem lighter for some reason. I don't know. I've had this gun for, damn, a year and a half or some crap like that. I don't remember anymore. I got a steel ball bearing, or the BB. I'm gonna pop it in. You can even see. See it right there. I need something to shoot. Well, I'm gonna pause it. Okay. See? Right there. So I'm gonna get you closer to it. Right there. Pretty big ass hole. Okay, thank you for watching. Like I said, this is some killing. Daisy 880. A great beginner gun. And one fun gun to take apart. Thank you for watching. This is some killing.